the heck? Whoa.
Look at that. Don't throw it hard, Daddy. Not too hard.
You catch this, I won't worry about my truck. If you don't catch it, you gotta pay for the dent. There you go. Oh, you gotta pay.
No, I don't. If you catch this,
You like your iPhone more?
That means you have.
There's another one came out, right?
Yeah, I think I might get it.
What is that about? That new one?
It's the same thing. But I can get an upgrade now, so.
Oh, even.
For this car.
It's even now.
I tried.
Even. Even Steven.
If you catch this, if you don't catch this, you gotta pay for that car, and that car.
Why my dad's car?
Oh! Thank you.
That means you have to pay one. You have to pay for 100 cars if you don't catch this one.
Oh!
You do that.
You gotta catch this one then, Julius.
If you catch this, you don't have to pay anything. If you miss it, you gotta pay everything. Ready?
Get it, Julius? Oh, you had it! You had it!
No, I don't get to pay if I almost cut it.
Sounds wrong.
You always have a good answer.
Sorry, coming.
I can throw it over the car and you gotta catch it.
Get it! Oh!
Because
That was a bad catch. That was a bad one. You could have got that. Can you catch a kick?
I'll try.
Oh god, here we go.
Stop.
Right on my car.
Oh!
I didn't get the insurance, Dad. Calm down.
Watch out the cars. Watch the cars, baby.